what I'm about to show you is not an issue that is exclusive to Republicans. Democrats do it too. It's just that Republicans seem to make an art form out of it, and specifically since Donald Trump came on the scene, because Trump posts shit like this all the time. This is mind manipulation. Watch this.
Message for whoever manages the GOP social media pages: you need to go back to school. The GOP posted this on social media, and I wanted to share with you because it's a perfect example of why the GOP and the Trump administration love the poorly educated. So the post has this title: Voters in general trust the Republicans on key issues. And then it shows these three little charts to make the point. And I certainly know constitutional law more than I know math, but I also finished the 5th grade, so I know how to do percentages and fractions. And these little colored bars below are designed to make you think that more than half of Americans are approving of various actions of the government. Except that's not how math works. Take crime and safety, for example. This little bar says that 46% of GOP voters approve of how the government is handling it, and 26% of Democratic voters approve of the GOP government. But if you finish 5th grade, you know that you can't sum 46% plus 26% to get the total number. You first have to figure out how many people are containing to each group. We know that 46% of voters are Republican and 45% of voters are Democrats. So the correct total is 46% of 46% and 26% of 45%. So the correct math is 0.46 times 0.46 and 0.26 times 0.45, which comes to about 0.33 or 33%. So 33% of voters, not including independents, are the ones that trust Republicans. And that's very different from voters trust Republicans, because if only 33% of voters trust Republicans, that means that 67% of American voters do not trust Republicans. As Heather will confirm, math is hard, but this specifically, I think, is proof of why the Trump administration is hell-bent on eliminating the Department of Education.
And then you'll notice how they use the graphics. Trump does this all the time. Look at how long the red bar is compared to how short the blue bar is, right? 46%, 26%. It's disproportionate. Trump does it all the time with a number of different subjects. He shows the big red graph that shows that he's very popular, and a little bitty blue graph that shows that they're very unpopular, but the numbers don't add up ever. It's mind manipulation. And that's the problem that we have with Republican voters in 2025. Republican MAGA voters will look at that and go, yeah, see that? He's popular. They love him because the big red bar is that big. No.